All right, take a look at these guys. 18g squared, 27g to the third. Looking for the greatest common factors. Same strategy applies. Ladies. So 18g squared. Something I haven't heard from yet today. How do I get that 18? 9 times 2? Yeah, what she said. I could do 6 and 3. What happens when I break the 9 down, though? 3 and 3. So the big thing here to remember is no matter how you set this up initially, I'm going to write them over here, I think. 18g squared, you should still get 2 times 3 squared times g squared. Didn't really leave myself a lot of room in there. Probably should have. Now let's take a look at 27 g to the third. Now I'm not going to worry about the g. 27 is 9 times 3. And 9 we already said was 3 and 3. So when I write this down, 27g to the third, there are no 2's. There's a 3 to the third and a g also to the third. All right. So yeah, when I look at what I'm pulling down, as Chelsea is saying, I'm going to go through and I'm going to pull down in the 3 column, the 3 squared. In the g column, I pull down a g squared. And I'm therefore left with 9g squared is my GCF. Once you kind of get the hang of it, I don't think it's too bad. It's a matter of getting the hang of it. That's usually the initial trick. And before I take questions, let me hop back one set of problems and see what you guys think of that. 8x squared and 7y to the third.
I'll do it on the board.
No, this one's not a board problem yet. Besides, I need to see some of your notebook before you get to come to the board and get brownie points. Wow, one example problem. That'd be awesome if we had done 6 so far. Now, what am I doing here? When I factor out 8x squared, that's 4 and 2. 4 is 2 and 2, so that's 8x squared is 2 to the third x squared. 7 is prime. So 7y to the third is 7y to the third. So what gets pulled down is the common values. Is there a 7 and 8x squared? Can't pull that down. When I look at the x's, nothing gets pulled down. Look at the y's, nothing gets pulled down. If nothing gets pulled down, then the greatest common factor is just 1. If 2 numbers have no common factors, then the GCF is 1. You can't write prime because prime is not a descriptor. It's not a number. It's a descriptor of a number.
Okay.
Prime says this number has no factors.
Right. Okay.
So, and neither of those is technically prime. I mean, 7y to the third is 7 times y to the third. It's not prime itself. 7 is prime, but yeah.